Hello friend, this is Foshan Lampec Machinery Factory. Today I'm going to introduce one of our newest machinery products. And this machine was mainly applied for medical consumables, frozen products, pet food, and some small sachet into outer bag. So in back of myself, that is the machine. And this machine was mainly included three parts. The first part is the feeding bell, and the second part is the main rotary table, and the third part was our touch screen. This rotary table was consisted by 6 workstations. The first station is pick up the bag, and this bell is for feeding empty bag. Why we designed this longer bell? That is to keep more space for place the empty bag. So that's to save time for worker to supplement the empty bag in the conveyor belt. This conveyor belt also was controlled by servo motor, so that the belt working more precisely and high speed. And the whole rotary table was mainly controlled by cam drive mechanical. Cam drive mechanical featured high stability workstation, and the vacuum pump supplied the air condition for all of the sucker plates, so that to open the bag more stably and effectively. And all the vacuum sucker plate with the vacuum table to detect if the bag was opened or without open, so that to feed back the signal to PLC. So no bag open, then no bag pushing. Okay, the first step is to pick up bag. The second step is to open the bag. After open the bag, so we'll go to the second part is our product feeding. This is the pusher with controlled by the servo motor drive, pushing the product precisely and high speed. This is the photoelectric eye sensor to detect if their product is in place or without in place. And then no product pushing, then no sealing the bag. So after the bag, the product push into the bag, then we'll go through the next step. And you will find there is the longer conveyor belt. The workers will place the product here one by one by manually. So when the worker places the product wheel and pushing into the bag, there is the mechanism. The clamp will help the bag to close more neatly and flexible, so that we'll prepare for heat sealing. So this is mechanical with clamp. After the bag well organized, there is the heat sealing. Control with the cylinder tank, so that the sealing with good performance and well seamless. After sealing, then the finished product will be feed out. There is the clamp to clamp our finished product and outfit on this conveyor belt. This conveyor belt also was controlled by servo motor, so that all the product and working steps keep in same page and also precisely and high speed. And the The next part is our touch screen. This touch screen with 10-inch, which is more easier to operate the parameters, and the swing arm is more flexible for worker to control the machine. So this is the rotary bagging machine with high speed than linear type. The rotary bagging machine working speed between 30 to 40 bags per minute. So if you have same packaging requirement, you can feel free to contact Land Pack Machinery. Thanks for your watching. See you. Bye bye.